Alright. Hola a todos. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien. Alright. So it's very nice to see you. My name is Amwell, and this is TGB Education. And yeah, we are having Spanish crash course for beginners. So yeah, so I'm very excited and very happy to see you. And today we don't have a lot of time, so the length of the today's session it's a little bit longer than usual, but I have a very great session prepared for you guys. So we have some Spanish, and we are talking about food, and everybody know that's about food. So yeah, so I'll straight jump into the session. All right. Yes, and we just look at foods, okay, in Spanish. So comidas, foods, okay, in Spanish. So yeah, so and also before as I get into the session, so if like you just came across this session and you have not looked at other sessions, so this is session 8, so you can watch in the playlist that we have attached somewhere here on top. I'll put it somewhere on top here. And also you can go to like the playlist in the description or in the channel, and you can check out the whole of other Spanish session, and you can catch up with everything. Okay, está bien. So let's get into the lesson. So today we are looking at frutas y verduras. Okay, fruits and vegetables. So yes, so we are just not looking at everything, but we are looking at the most common stuff that we come across and how we pronounce the words and get familiar with them. Okay. Yes. So we start with the fruits, and we have manzana for apple. We have plátano, banana. We also have uva. We have naranja. We have fresa. We have piña. We have mango. We have sandía. Okay. Yes. Then we have for vegetables, we have zanahoria, we have lechuga, we have tomate, we have cebolla, we have broccoli, we have espinaca, we have peppers. Okay. All right. So then with those, we look at few examples of some sentences of vegetables and fruits. Okay. So that we can get familiar with them. So the fruits are in the end, and I'll read a few sentences, and the rest we can practice together. Okay? Yes. So the manzana es roja. Okay? The apple is red. So although we have some apples which are green sometimes, so before they get like ripe to red, so you may see they are green. So you can also say the manzana es verde. Okay? But this one is la manzana es roja. Okay. Then also we have me encanta la piña fresca. Okay? Which means I love fresh apples. Then also we have las uvas son pequeñas y dulces. Okay? Grapes are small and sweet. All right. Then also we have la naranja es jugosa y llena de vitamin C. So the fruit, the orange is juicy and full of vitamin. Then we also have a question here, and we have, ¿quieres un banana? Do you want a banana? Okay. The other one is, I'll go to the vegetables, and I'll eat some other vegetables. So we have las zanahorias son naranja y crujientes. Okay. So they are, carrots are orange and crunchy. Okay. Then las papas fritas son un delicioso aperitivo. Okay. Yes. So yeah. So which means French fries are delicious snack. So las papa means potatoes. Yes. Frita means like fried. Okay. So which means like when you combine them, it's French fries. Yeah. Or fried potatoes, literally. Then also we have las cebollas hacen llorar al cortaras. Okay. So yes, so onion make you cry when you cut them. Yes, unless you're looking for a reason to, you know, you're feeling a little bit sad, triste, and you're trying to find a reason to cry. Yes, probably you go and cut some onion. Yes, okay, yeah. So, and now I'll jump into the meats, okay, mostly. So we have carne, pescado, y marisco, okay, seafood. So these are some of the common meats that you may find around the world, okay? And we have pollo, chicken, we have res for beef, we have cerdo for pork, we have pescado for fish, we have ternera for bear, we have cordero, okay? So ver, for those who are not familiar, ver it's like meat of a young ram or calf. Yes, like young animal, you know, like the tender meat. So like of a young ram, like a goat or young cow, like a calf or ram. So like this, yeah. So very common. Then for the seafood and the, yes, for the seafood, we have, and fishes, we have salmon, we have camarones for shrimp, we have atún for tuna, we have pulpo for octopus, then we have mejillones for mussel, so this is a type of a fish. We have cangreo for crab, then we have bacalao for cod. So this is also a type of a fish that you find, yeah, you find it very common. So for example, for those people who grew up in Kenya, and I hope you have seen like this kind of fish oil that is called Seven Seas, which is very, very common. Yes, it was very famous back in the day. So it of fish oil, the fish was called. Yes. So we look at a few examples, and I'll say me gusta el salmón a las paella. So I like grilled salmon. Okay. Then el atún es bueno para ensalada. Tuna is good for salad. Then also we have la trucha es popular en la cocina local. Okay, trout is popular in local cuisines. Then we have el cerdo se utiliza en muchos platillos. So pork is used in many dishes. Okay. Me encanta el pulpo en la paella. Okay. I love octopus in paella. Okay. Then also we have el cangreo es perfecto para ensalada. Scrap is perfect for salad. Then we also have el camarón frito es un delicia. Delicia. So fried camari is a delight or delicious, yes. So yeah. So yeah. So this is like some examples. I left some sentences, and remember that as I'm going through this, I may go through it very fast. So you can always, you know, pause it, try to listen to the pronunciation, rewind again, and you'll be fine. Okay, yes. And also, if you have a question, it's good to put the question in the description below of this video, or if you're in our WhatsApp group, you can always ask questions there, and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Okay, excellent. All right. Then we also have pan, cereales y productos lácteos, okay, dairy products, yes. So bread, cereals, and dairy products. So we have pan for bread, we have arroz for rice, we have pasta, and we have avena. Then for dairy products, we have leche, queso, yogurt, mantequilla. We together? Okay, so mantequilla, yogurt, queso, leche. Okay, excellent. So we look at examples of sentences. So I'll read everything. So we can say, me gusta el olor de pan recién horneado. Okay. So on the other. Okay, then we go to the second, okay, so we have hoy compré un baguette en panadería, okay. Today I bought a baguette at the bakery, okay. Then el pan integral es más saludable que el pan blanco, okay. All grain bread is healthier than white bread. Puedes comprar avena para el desayuno mañana. Can you buy oats for breakfast tomorrow? Disfruto de celulares, sorry. Disfruto de los cereales con frutas frescas. I enjoy cereals with fresh fruits. Me encanta el yogur con frutas y miel. Okay, I love yogurt with fruits and honey. Then la mantequilla es deliciosa en el pan tostado. So butter is very delicious on toasted bread. El queso suizo es perfecto para las ensaladas. Swiss cheese is perfect for salads. Okay, all right. So then we also have bebidas y postres. Okay, so beverages and desserts. Okay, so we have agua, we have agua, café, té, refresco, soda, refresco is soda. Then also we have jugo, we have vino, we have cerveza. Then for desserts, we have pastel, helado, gelatas, chocolate, flan, okay? So example in sentences, we have agua es esencial para hidratado, okay? What is fuerte por la mañana? I like strong coffee in the morning. El té de manzanilla es relajante antes de dormir. So chamomile tea, chamomile tea is relaxing before bedtime. Un refresco frío es perfecto en día seguroso. So a cold refreshment or a cold soda is perfect on out day. So yeah, okay. So I hope up to there. So if you have any question, then also you can try to pronounce some other, yes, some other like the ones that I left for number 5 and 6. You can try them on your own and yeah, so we can continue with this. Yes, then also we have comidas, condimentos, okay? So condiments. Condiments means like things that we add or spices like this, things like this that we add on to food for making it delicious, okay? So these are like main meats of the day. We have desayuno for breakfast, we have almuerzo for lunch, we have cena for dinner, and we have merienda. So merienda is for snack. Then for condiments, we have salt, sal, pimienta, aceite de oliva, vinagre, and salsa. Okay. Yes. Okay. Then in example of a sentence, we can say, el desayuno es comida más importante del día. Okay. Then also we have la cena familiar es una tradición los domingos. Family dinner is a tradition on Sundays. La sal y la pimienta son básicos en la cocina. Salt and pepper are basics in the kitchen. Okay. La salsa de tomate añade sabor a la pasta. Okay. So tomato sauce adds flavor to pasta. Okay. We together? Yes. All right. So here we have a very good conversation scenario between the waiter. Then also we have you and we have a friend. Okay. So I'll read both the waiter and the friend. Then for you, you read. Okay. So probably I think you can read you and the friend. Then for me, I'll read for the waiter because the waiter is as much words. And yeah, so that we are able to practice a little bit about ordering food, how to speak, the pronunciation. Okay. Yes. So I'll read. Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo están ustedes hoy? Estoy bien, gracias. Les gustaría ver el menú. Aquí tienen el menú. ¿Quisieran algo para comer? Ok, sorry. ¿Quisieran algo para comenzar? Para, para, sorry, perfecto. Y para tomar, muy bien. Y para el plato principal, cómo les gustaría el concocción de la pasta? Entendiendo. ¿Algo más por ahora? De nada. Enseguida, toma su orden. Nice, nice, nice. So this is a very good conversation, like practice, yes. And I hope you're having fun with it. I know today, sorry, my voice is a little bit dry as I'm recording this. So today I've done a lot of talking, so my voice is a little bit tired, but we have a lot of limited time. So we are trying to get to the end of these sessions, but I hope you are running stuff. And as usual, so yes, so if you have any questions, you can always come to me here in the chat, where I've posted this video here on YouTube. And also you can, if you are on our WhatsApp group, you can always ask the questions from there. So I'll say thank you for coming and also watching this session. So don't forget to subscribe and follow for more sessions in other languages or in Spanish or in Swahili, in English, and also more other topics about culture, history, and yeah, other related topics. So for now, have a great evening, or anyways, it's evening as I'm recording this, but have a great time, and thank you for coming. Gracias mucho por venir. Adiós.